What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, we are back to take a look at the new Unity watch face that just dropped as part of the public release for WatchOS 11.3. If you're unfamiliar, Apple has been doing these sort of releases for Black History Month for a while now, for at least the last couple of years, and they usually do look really good. You can always look historically what they look like in the Watch app under your face gallery and scrolling down to see Unity watch faces. They are usually near the bottom down here somewhere. Let's keep scrolling to find those. Yep, you can see the Pride ones right here, and then a little farther down are your Unity ones from the prior years. Now, obviously, as you can see right there, the left side is the newer one, and we're going to take a look at it on the watch itself here. But before we do that, in case you all were wondering, let's jump into Settings, General, and About. And you can see this build right here, the public release, has a full build number of 22S555. So, having said all that, we can obviously do it as we traditionally do and long press on the display to change the watch face. Just scroll over to add a new one, and you're greeted with the new watch face pop-up, or obviously, as always, you can do it straight from your iPhone. We'll do it on the watch since we're right here. This is a Ultra 2, so we're not going to have the second hand kind of flickering on and always on display, unfortunately, where this watch face does have that option. So just keep that in mind. If you're rocking a Series 10, you will have the option to have that second hand continue to work. Now, let's see the customization options here, and right from Jump Street, you can see it uses the traditional styling with the same colors of black, red, and green and yellows, but you can scroll down a little bit and go to a fully black and silver one, a cream colored one, red, green, and gold. Let's go ahead and just leave it. I actually like this cream color one. Let's leave it like that. And you can scroll over and see you get two compilations if you choose to want to use them, one on the top left, one on the bottom right. Let's go ahead and select the bottom right, and we'll just make that battery. And then on the top left, let's make this our rings. So we'll go ahead and select that, confirm it, and select it, and there you go. So it is the 9th hour of the day. You can see the large 9 is right there being shown. And then you obviously have your hands, your minute hand and hour hand, as well as that second hand kind of moving around like we just discussed. Now, again, unfortunately, I don't know why Apple keeps keeping these behind a, we'll quote unquote say a paywall to upgrade to the latest version of Series 10 to get that the second hands on a lock screen on the AOD. As you can see, unfortunately, let me tip it back. You're not going to get that second hand moving when there is not a Series 10 in play. Now, aside from that, you can obviously long press again, edit it as you need, and if you want to switch the color, let's take a look at what the standard one comes with. And there we go. I think that actually looks really cool, really nice again. They did reveal the Watch Band to go along with this year. If you're interested in that, it is available now at the Apple Store. You can go pick it up if you'd like. But yeah, short, quick video for you guys today. That is all that's really new from WatchOS 11.3 in general, and then the new watch face that dropped with the public release. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Are you a fan of this new watch face? I think it looks pretty good. Are you going to be rocking it? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.